Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Hyundai Tucson headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of clean gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. It's also important to have the correct replacement bulb type on hand, as different models may require specific bulbs. Next, you'll need to gain access to the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. Look for the back of the headlight cluster in the engine bay. You'll typically find a round, plastic protective dust cap covering the bulb housing. Remove this cap by twisting it counterclockwise to expose the bulb and its connections. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Depending on your specific model, you might need to unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, let's test and reassemble everything. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring it's seated firmly. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall the protective dust cap, twisting it clockwise until it's secure. You've successfully replaced your Hyundai Tucson headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.